Thanks for tuning into the Pro Charging Systems Eagle Performance Series Fault Code Guide. This video will help you understand what the flashing lights on your charger mean, and what quick steps you can take to help resolve the issue at home. Our flashing sequence of the 30 and 90 lights is our internal temperature code. This is when the charger shuts down prematurely due to excessive heat. This can be caused by the internal fan going out or the charger being in direct sunlight on a very hot day and running continuously for an extended time. Listen for the fan after you have reset the charger to see if it kicks on at some point. We do have replacement fan kits available if the fan fails to come on. You can also remove the housing and clean the internal components with compressed air to remove any debris on the circuit board or on the fan blades. If you aren't sure of something or need a little bit more guidance, then please give us a call at 615-471-5300 or submit a help desk ticket at www.dualpro.com/support. Our technical support team is always standing by to help out in any way they can. We are available Monday through Friday, 8 to 5 p.m. Central Time. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe for more.